we running for the beans.
Fruit salad song. Yeah. Oranges were resting on the table, tangerines were shining like the moon. Apricots were sleeping on a napkin, pears were getting sweeter by the spoon. Sunshine through the kitchen window dancing, kettle sang a tiny little tune. Jam inside the jar was softly glowing like a little party came in June. Oranges around and happy fellas, tangerines a tiny sweet hello. On the table some are softly smiling while the evening lights begin to glow. Bananas in their yellow jackets smiling, kiwi hid its green beneath the peel. Little grapes around the bowl were running, peach showed off its rosy cheek with zeal. Spoons were softly ringing in the drawer, knife was resting proudly by the side. All the fruits began to sing together, every sweet voice opened up inside. Apples are the rosy little ladies, pears are dressed in sunshine soft and bright. All of them have gathered in the kitchen for a salad full of joy and light. We will slice bananas into circles, kiwi takes its fuzzy coat away. Then we'll add the grapes so sweet and tiny, making something sunny, fresh and gay. Orange slices open like small flowers, tangerines take off their coats with cheer. Apples, pears, and all the little berries say, come on, the salad time is here. In the bowl it's bright and full of color, sweet aroma rises to the sky. Seems like summer came into the kitchen, bringing little sparkles passing by. We will add a little spoon of jam now, sweeten it with golden honey too. Gently mix it all together softly, then invite the whole wide room to view.
Sunshine smiled at us through every window, kettle sang its tiny song again. What we made was joyful, sweet and funny, like a fruity rainbow after rain.
Oranges and pears and tangerines, apples ripe, bananas, grapes so sweet. Now they're not just vitamins together,